Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Volvo C30 headlight bulb. First, locate the two retaining pins at the top of the headlight unit. Pull these pins straight up and out. Once the pins are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly forward. It should slide out of its mounting brackets. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the tab and pulling it away from the unit. This gives you full access to the bulbs. Now that the headlight unit is free, you can access the bulb. Identify the specific bulb you need to replace. For most C30 headlights, you'll find a plastic holder that twists. Turn this holder counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn to unlock it. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Remember, never touch the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can significantly reduce its lifespan. Use gloves or a clean cloth. With the old bulb removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new bulb into the holder, ensuring it seats firmly. Make sure the tabs on the bulb align correctly with the slots in the holder. Once seated, align the bulb holder with the headlight unit opening and twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Finally, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight unit, ensuring it clicks into position. This completes the bulb replacement. To finish up, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its mounting brackets. Make sure it's seated flush against the car body. Reinsert the two retaining pins through the top of the headlight unit and push them down firmly until they lock. Before closing the hood, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.